morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are doing amazing. Happy New Year! I hope each and every one of you is having a prosperous new year. We are welcoming 2022 with a repair here in my Simple Province house. If you guys can remember, I have told you that we put a temporary tarp, which is the blue tarp. Unfortunately, because it was raining almost every day here in the countryside because there is a typhoon again, but oh my gosh, you guys can hear my roof. Anyway, yeah, right now it is very gloomy. It's been drizzling all morning and it is very windy as well. Today I have decided to make a temporary roof. Yes, we are going to use a corrugated roof, but it's going to be temporary because it's gonna take a while for us to really put the permanent roof that we're going to put here in my house. So I have ordered 12 metal sheets to put here in my kitchen, toilet, and in my bedroom area because this is where the damage is. Like, it is super crazy. When it was raining here during New Year, we had to transfer to my mom's store because it was just, you know, flooding here. It was another disaster. So today I asked my uncle to work on it, and my brother-in-law, my papa, will be helping as well. And we have another main builder, so he is the one that will actually work on my house. I finally found someone that could, you know, work in my house that could hopefully withstand another typhoon. So I'm gonna give you guys more details and information, what's gonna be my plan for my house. There has been a change because he suggested what's the best thing to do. We've also talked about the cost, the possible cost. He gave me an estimate, and it was a crazy amount. It unfortunately went beyond the cost that I was able to spend for my Simple Province house. If you guys can remember, I have shared it to you that for this house I spent 300,000 pesos, which is 6,000 US dollars, and he said that it's gonna cost more than that. But yeah, he said that slowly, whatever it is that I could afford, so that we can make this house typhoon proof if there's such a thing. I don't ever think that there's like a typhoon proof kind of house, because only the typhoon can tell if your house is really typhoon proof, right? So I have ordered 12 metal sheets and 9 2x2 wood. We are going to be using it here in my bedroom. It's actually gonna be hard for us to rebuild the house, to start rebuilding it, because we still don't have electricity. VECO, which is our electric company here in Cebu, said that it's gonna take until January 31st for the 100% restoration of electricity here in Cebu City. But looking at it, like, oh my gosh, there's a lot of lampposts that was damaged, that fell down. So I don't think on January 31st they're gonna be able to really have 100% electricity for all Cebu. My plan now is I need to buy a generator. I know it's gonna cost me a lot to buy a generator, but I don't really have a choice. If I'm going to wait like maybe, I don't know, 1-2 months, it's crazy. I won't have a house obviously for another 2 to 3 months if I'm going to wait for the electricity, and I think generator is going to be a good investment because I'll be able to use it once we have electricity interruption again here in the countryside. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking for a generator, and then once I got it, that's when we start rebuilding. So hopefully I could find one. I've already talked to my twin. He worked in a hardware company, so hopefully they have stocks, because companies right now have been, you know, panic buying for a generator because obviously they cannot, you know, function if there's no generator. So yeah, right now I'll take you guys to me today. My battery is blinking. We are going to put a temporary roof for my house. Guys, they were able to finish repairing, or shall I say, putting another temporary roof for my house. This time we use metal sheet, the thinnest one, because again, this is temporary. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick look. There were exactly 5 people that worked on it. We have 3 builders and 2 helpers, my brother-in-law and my papa, and then my uncle, and there are other 2 builders as well. It actually took them not even an hour, I would say, but the weather was just super like crazy. It was very unpredictable. It was raining, and right now it's very sunny. It's drizzling again, and we have a really big rain coming. I can see thicker clouds over there. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how does it look now here on the outside. We are gonna go up to the water tank so that we can see how does it look now. So this is my perspective from the water tank tower. So this is how it looks now. As you guys can see, we've removed the blue tarp already, and then we replaced it with this metal sheet. I think this is a lot better than the blue tarp because it has been super windy. Like, look at that. So this is how it looks right now. We really covered, you know, the bedroom all the way here in the kitchen and in the toilet as well. So that's how it's looking, and yeah, this actually makes me happy so that, you know, whenever it rains, then I wouldn't be bothered. The inside of the house wouldn't get wet anymore. I'm gonna show you how does it look on the inside, so let's go down. Alright guys, we are getting inside. I'm gonna show you how does it look. We're gonna start here in my bedroom. So it is still a total mess, as you guys can see. It's dark now because we have the roof. So these are the new wood that we purchased today. And yeah, this is how it looks right now. Hopefully this is not gonna be blown away again with another wind in the meantime, because we're gonna replace that with a good one, hopefully. And then this is how it looks. Ta-da! This is in my bedroom, and it goes all the way there. And if we go out, they're eating here some lunch, and then it goes all the way here as well. There you go. And we're gonna go to the toilet area. It's also covered already, so yeah, if you go to the toilet, you won't get wet anymore. That was my struggle here for the last few days. So there you go. Here in my second bedroom, where everything is all good, but I think this is need to be improved as well, because I don't think it's gonna hold for such a long time, because the gypsum board or the ceiling that we use, if it gets wet, it's gonna collapse, and that's what happened with my bedroom. Anyway, I am pretty at peace right now, and quite happy now that we have put a metal sheet, because for the last 2 days that we are staying here, it has been raining like all throughout, and my heart just breaks. Like, it really hurts me so much, like when it's raining, because I know that my bedroom gets super wet and it gets flooded here, and yeah, it just really breaks my heart, and I didn't really want to witness that. That's why whenever I'm here, I'm just really hanging out in my mom's door, because the rain is just giving me anxiety, and it really breaks my heart, because I don't know, I feel like my house is my baby, and I only had my house for a year, and now I need to rebuild it. So yeah, as I have mentioned, I have talked to the builder. He was actually one of the guys who worked on the roof today. He mentioned to me that it's gonna cost me a lot if we are going to really knock down the walls and use metal trusses for the roof. So yeah, I'm good with the metal trusses for the roof, and it's just that it's really gonna cost me a lot. But you know, if that metal trusses could really withstand a typhoon, then I think it is a very good decision to do it. So yeah, he gave me 2 options. First is we are going to retain the wall and then just do the metal trusses for the roof, or you are going to just take down all the wall and then do the metal trusses as well. I know I have mentioned before in a previous video like my plan, like what's in my head. I know I did mention that I'm gonna have like a cemented roof with a rooftop, but yeah, I don't quite like it. That's because Philippines is very prone to earthquake as well, unfortunately. So I remember when the ceiling collapsed on me, I didn't want that to happen if it's cement. cement. It's made of cement. I wouldn't survive for sure. Yeah, that's out of the plan. I just really want to have a metal trusses, and then we're gonna be using color roof for the roof. For the wall, I'm still thinking about it. He did mention that if I'm going to knock down all the walls, it's going to cost me around, you know, for like everything, it's gonna cost me around 500,000 pesos. That's like 10,000 US. And I was super shocked when he did mention that. That's a lot, you know, but he said that as long as we have the metal trusses, you know, we can slowly do the wall cemented. It's up to my budget, but he really told me that if you're gonna have a metal trusses, then it's really best to cement your wall, because this wall that I have right now is not going to survive for a long time. So he's the expert. Me myself as well, like I know that it's really not gonna hold because it's made of wood, right? But yeah, it was my budget. Why did I choose wood? But right now I wish I just went to, you know, cemented wall, but you know, too late. Right now we're gonna have to move on, but yeah, we'll see. The first thing that I really need to do now is to purchase a generator. That's when we can go through with the rest of the plan. Yeah, anyway, this is the current update for now. My heart is at peace now that whenever it rains, my house is gonna be okay. Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys another update. Thank you guys again so much for all the love and support and for the help that you guys have been giving to us. Thank you to Joy and Mike again for letting me stay and my family in their beautiful luxury condominium. I truly appreciate it. And then thank you so much for all the people who helped. Again, I will send you guys a message and a personal thank you for sending some help for us. I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please give it a big thumbs up. I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.